Hello students, this is Chef Sundar Srinivasan from AI SSMS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. This session is to familiarize you with the step-by-step process for the AICTE 360-degree feedback process. This is a compulsory process for all the students of the BHMCT program. Please go through the session carefully and make sure you complete the entire feedback process in the given stipulated time. This session is for the computer or the laptop version that you can use. The first step that you will do is on the browser, you will put this particular address, that is www.smartcookie.in/AICTE-360-degree feedback. I will be sharing this link further as well. Once you put this link and hit enter, you will go on to the next page wherein you will see three options: student feedback, teacher feedback, school admin. Click on the student feedback option. Once you click on the student feedback option, it will take you to this page wherein on the top right, you have the login option. You click on login and this will give you a drop-down menu with various options. Under this, the second option of student needs to be clicked. As you click the student option, a new page will show or ask you details for logging in. By default, you will select email ID. You will select email ID followed by your email ID, which will be shared with you along with the password. The third option is the institute ID, which is as given on your screen and also will be shared to you. Finally, the password that will be assigned to you needs to be put. After this, click on the login option. Once you click on the login option, it will ask you to take you to the terms and conditions page. Scroll down to the terms and conditions bottom part and click on the accept button, which is on the left corner. As you click accept, the next page will ask you for your new password. Please put a new password, and second time you need to confirm your new password and click update. Once you click update, it will ask you to re-log in with the same credentials that we saw earlier and your new password. As you do this process, the new page, the landing page, will be your dashboard page. On the left side, you will have your name and your ID, and on the top right as well, your name will be seen. So on the left and on the right, you can see your name. In the menu option, you can see AICTE feedback option. You need to click on that and wait for a few seconds for the page to refresh. As it refreshes, it will bring you to a new page which has these details. So first option is choose your teacher. You click on choose your teacher, and below that you will find the names of the faculty members who are in the institute. You need to select the teachers who are teaching you for the last 2 semesters of the last academic year. That is for the academic year 2020-2021. Once you select the teacher, the next option it will give you is academic year by default 2020-21, and then you need to choose your subject. There are various subjects given for that particular faculty, maybe 1, 2 or more. So you need to check on that particular subject. You click that particular subject one at a time. That is, once you finish the first subject, then again you need to do on to the second subject. So one subject you click, and on the next page it will give you 9 questions that you need to put a rating by marking the number of stars. So there are various stars, so you can, for each question you highlight the stars, that is your rating. As you go down to the last question, you will find there is a comment option which you can choose to put so. Once this is done, you click on the submit button. So this means you are submitted for one faculty, one subject. So you need to make sure that you fill up for faculty members who have taught you in the last academic year for both semesters. Once you're done with all the faculty members, on the top right, you click on the arrow next to your name, and then you can click log out. Thank you, and I hope you are able to do this on time. I will be sharing the user ID, web link, and the passwords to you very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.